The Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, is appealing for patience to allow for Tuesday's meeting with the Finance Ministry on wage negotiations. The teachers are reportedly restive over the slow pace of wage negotiations with the ministry. JTA President Mark Malabver gave this update.
The JTA is appealing to its members to exercise a little more patience and to allow Tuesday's engagement the space it requires. This appeal is made with full awareness of the prevailing mood across the profession. Members are, however, urged to remain vigilant and maintain a state of high alert. If there is no meaningful progress, particularly on the key points within the JTA's list of claims and the graduate allowance issue arising from Tuesday's meeting, the matter will be placed squarely in the hands of the membership to determine the next course of action.